Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hannah, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys along in the process of me getting ready to film a YouTube video. I'm filming a few today, so I decided I should film this because I thought maybe it would be interesting, and I've seen some people do this on YouTube and I thought it would be kind of fun. Since we've been in quarantine, I haven't been wearing really any makeup. I've only worn it like twice for videos and stuff. Also, this week has not been my week because my skin has been very bad. So hopefully it will clear up soon. But in the meantime, we have makeup to help us out. Okay, so as you can see, my makeup is complete. Yeah. So next, sorry, I'm trying to be flexible. Next thing on my list is to do my hair. And I think I'm going to curl it just a little. I got a new curling iron. I'm gonna show it to you guys. This curling iron was only $7 from Target, so get your hands on it. It's the Conair 1-inch. I forget what it's made out of, but gotta get the deals. Now I'm gonna put on my outfit. Okay guys, so don't mind my floor. There's clothes all over it because of one of the videos I'm filming, but this is my outfit. These pants are from Forever 21, and then this shirt is also from Forever 21, but it's just a tank top that I just cropped, and I kind of cropped it too short, but it's fine. I just don't have a plain like little white tank top. I mean, I guess I do, but it has like a lettuce edge, and I just wanted a plain one, so I just cut this. And yeah, so that's my outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it, and I know it was like a little short one, but I still thought it would be kind of fun to upload it, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Huh.